Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to unbox the brand new Time of Your Life box. So here it is. I have not looked inside yet, but I'm very excited. So in case you don't know, the Time of Your Life box, or TOYL, as I like to call it, is a beauty box designed for women of a certain age, 40 and over to be exact. It's a really amazing beauty box. It's quite luxurious and every month has a theme and every product is like really beautifully curated and designed for women who like don't necessarily want like, you know, like acne products or like yellow eyeshadow. You know what I mean? They want more luxurious, moisturizing, hydrating, like well-being loveliness. And that's exactly what this box is. So this is £39.99 per month. However, you can pause at any time. You can unsubscribe at any time. You can literally like look at the products, decide if you want it. And if you don't want it, you just press pause and you don't have to get it. So it's really good because you don't waste anything. And I have a code so you can get £10 off your first box. I'll put it here, but it's FFL. And every single box is worth a minimum of £100. And I can tell you, they have included some incredible brands. I'm never disappointed. So let me show you what's in this month's. So first of all, here is the packaging, just so you can see. And then inside, we've got the good stuff. So I think I'm going to start with my favorite product. This is by Temple Spa. Seriously, I love Temple Spa. This is so exciting. And this product is actually worth more than the entire box itself. I think it's worth £45. So yeah, let me show you. So this is the Temple Spa Repose Relaxing Night Cream and it's a 50ml jar. So it's a legit full-size product. It's amazing. So this next product is one I've never ever heard of. It is by Hello Sunday and this is SPF 45 Serum Drops. Looking forward to trying these. I always love it when skincare has SPF inside because I'm not going to lie to you, sometimes I forget. Or I don't plan on leaving the house and then I don't put on SPF and then I leave the house and I'm like, damn, I didn't put on SPF. So it's just better if it's in my skincare. So I'm looking forward to trying this. And again, it's a full-size product. And I have to say, all the products that are new to me via TOYL, I've been really impressed with. Their buyer really knows what they're doing. Anyway, on to the next product. So this is by Code Beautiful and this is a mascara which is designed to give you fake looking lashes without actually having to put on fake lashes. So I'm looking forward to this. I don't wear mascara very often. I'm not really a mascara girly. I think it's because sometimes I'm just like, oh, it's a lot of effort to take off. But when I do wear mascara, I don't want to wear fake lashes, but I do want good lashes. So this is perfect for me. Oh my goodness, this next product is such a treat. It's only a little bit of Ruby Hammer. It is an eyeliner. There we go. Let's get it in focus. And I actually genuinely need a new eyeliner. As you can see, I'm not actually wearing eyeliner today, which is rare for me. I love Ruby Hammer. This is such a treat. And yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it. So there we have it. That is the entire box. Of course, my favorite thing is of course the Temple Spa. I love Temple Spa. And this box is £39.99 and that one product is like £45, so it's amazing. Plus, if you use my sign-up code, you'll get the whole thing for like £29.99. And of course, you can cancel at any time, unsubscribe at any time. You can pause at any time, whatever you want. It's very free and easy. It's very good. And yeah, I'm just such a fan. I'm also really excited about the SPF serum. I need that. I want that. Of course, the eyeliner, I want that too. Oh, it's so good. The mascara, I love it. Basically, it all works out to be like £10 an item, which is incredible. Anyway, that's my video. I hope you like the box as much as I do. It's so good. So much like luxurious products, which I actually need. So yeah, I'm such a fan. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.